Oh, right. Let's see. This is new. Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B, and today I'm going to be talking whether it's worth buying pretty much what many would consider is redundant tech. Now, I've actually had one of these before, and I got it when it first came out a few years ago, and I sold it not so long after. Now, I couldn't really get on with the fact that they were saying, you know, that this gives you mouse precision. I didn't get any mouse precision in fact, I didn't get any precision at all and couldn't use it very well. But Steam are selling these. I think they're all sold out now for £4. I think it's probably the $4 as well, plus postage. And I thought, I can't resist. And I wanted to see how much it's changed over the time, over those years, whether Steam have made it better, made it easier to use, whether the the users of the Steam controller have developed some really cool mapping and macros and all those things for all these games that have been out for a while now. So, you know, if this isn't matured now, then it's never going to be, and it won't ever be, because they're not making any more and they're just getting rid of their old stock. So my question is not so much about this, is have you bought anything that many would consider is a redundant bit of tech that you've got at a bargain price and you're very keen and quite excited in a very geeky way? You know, we get excited about things like this, old or new, you know, as long as it's new, old, then we're kind of happy with it. Certainly if it's only like a bargain, £4. I think when this came out, it was something ridiculous. I think it was like 50 quid. I can't remember. It was so many years ago, but anyway, so have you bought anything tech related that many would consider is redundant, where you've actually got a great deal of use out of it since, and you're very pleased with it, and you got an absolute bargain at the time? Let me know in the comments below. Just a quick short video. I just wanted to share the fact that I got this little bargain. It's probably a bargain because it's probably still crap, but we will see. Don't forget to subscribe. You know where the button is. I can never find it on the screen. Click the bell. Give me a thumbs up. Oh, yeah, and click the bell. Make sure you click the bell, because you'll never hear from me otherwise. And no one wants that. Do you? Do you?